Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is finally cold enough to wear a nice thick jacket and some overalls. Looking at about 31 degrees this morning. I got the truck ready. The 450 Bushmaster is loaded. The plan this weekend is to try to get at least one more doe. And beyond that, if a pig comes in, we'll go ahead and take that, get some back straps for a pot roast. But it'll be a good weekend. Let's go down there this morning while it's cold and see if they're moving. It's a little dark in here. I have a small LED up at the top of the shooting house to help film a little bit more, but finally made it in the stand. I didn't get to where I wanted to. Unfortunately, someone may or may not have forgotten a key to get down there. So, gonna sit in the hand planter patch today. I sat in here once this year. This will be the second time, and this is the first time in the morning that I'm sitting in this patch. Hopefully something's gonna be coming out here. But it's time to go ahead, set up all the camera gear, get everything ready that goes on behind the scenes, and then I have about 30, maybe 45 minutes before good shooting daylight comes out. I was hoping for a little bit more activity this morning, but didn't see any deer or pigs, just a lot of squirrels. If I had a nickel for every squirrel I saw, probably have about 45 cents in my pocket right now. But while I'm out here, I'm going to go ahead, got a game camera, check it real quick, take the SD card back. We'll see what's coming in here and about what time, just get a rough idea. Might as well since I'm already out here. And then this afternoon, I'll probably go lower end and hunt it a bit. This field is really nice and eaten down. They're coming in here pretty steady, and I know this field was planted somewhat heavy, so it should have more grass than this. That's a good sign. Well, about to go to the shooting house right over here. We'll get in, get quiet, and hopefully have something in the next hour or so. In the next field over, there are several pigs out right now. They're just waiting for a feeder to go off over there. We have so many pigs. It certainly won't hurt to take one or two of them out. Give about 5 minutes. Let them get comfortable. They'll be there for a minute. I'm probably going to go ahead and take a shot with the 450. Once I get a few others out of the way, I want to make sure I get good penetration. I'm good to go. Dropped. He is down for the count. Let's go. Gonna stay trained on him. Make sure he doesn't try to get back up. Once he stops moving, we'll be good to go. He hasn't moved in 30 seconds. I think he's expired and he's down. Awesome. Well, got a couple good camera angles. Got my Panasonic in the window. I got the scope cam too. This is one of my favorite cameras for point and shoot. A little bit quicker action, especially on figure cover. And the PCA upper did a heck of a job. That thing is sick. Well, we're going to give him about 10 minutes regardless. May even sit here for the rest of the evening, see if anything else comes in. It's plenty cold out right now. It's already about 55 and it's just going to drop steadily through the evening. Awesome. Well, that's it for this afternoon. Just got back to the ATV. Didn't see anything else except a couple of small pigs that came out right at dark at about 175 yards away. But gonna go ahead, pick up this pig. We're gonna see what it looks like, what damage it did, and hopefully we'll get it home pretty quickly and start getting it processed. That 450, just like always, seemed to do the trick. This thing dropped like a rock. He's pushing at least a 150, right around in there if I had to guess. Take a look at those chompers. You would not want to be messed with those things. I'll get them flipped over here in a second. We'll see where that shot went in and out of. I don't see anything quite on this side. And I think I hit him towards the front shoulder going back this way. Alright, time to take a look and see what we got here. Oh boy. Wow. Yeah. I got him somewhere right in this area. I don't know exactly where yet. Oh, there it is. Right in the head. He went down. I don't see the exit wound anywhere, but it bloodied him up, that's for certain. Wow. That is a big pig. Even has a big cut right there, I guess from fighting. A tusk got him or something of that nature. Right there on the side, but that's not a bullet hole, that's just a razor of a cut. But how about that? Take a look. A lot of people think about Texas when they think of big boars and things of that nature. They're all over the southeast. They're just absolutely everywhere. There's pretty much no question about that. Where I'm hunting is the state of Alabama, and we have them, especially in these swampy areas. They're horrendous. Do a lot of damage, so glad to get this guy out. He's going to provide some really good back straps, some hams, things of that nature. Can't wait to get him loaded up, and we'll get him out of here. But awesome pig. I'm just going to pull about, I'll just pull about 30 feet of line out or so. That ought to be plenty. Now I have this line. I'm just going to take it, throw it over the top. I see I need some more. Pull that out. That should be plenty. Now I just need to go grab it around this pig. Last thing I want is the battery getting too low on the ATV. So just going to keep it cranked. One of these winches is super nice to have. I'll link one in the description below. They just make loading game by yourself a heck of a lot easier. You don't need a second winch or anything. Just get one for the front, for mud and everything else. Loop it over the back. As long as you can get this head in by yourself, you're in good shape. Oh, yeah, he's heavy. I might have to put this one on the scale. He's a big boy. There we go. He's free and clear. Well, now that I finally got him into the ATV, I'm gonna go ahead and bring him back to the house, try to get him on the scale, see what we got. And yeah, skin this guy out. You smell that? You smell the pig? No, you just want a pot cone and a leaf. Good boy. Well, just got back with this bruiser of a pig. I want to go ahead and shut the camera off. I got to go skin this guy out and everything. But guys, I do hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more. And as always, thanks for watching.